Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got some juicy news about Shagmur and Barris. If you want all the details, stick around because I have got you covered. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And hey, if you want to go the extra mile, you can join us by clicking the join button down below. Thanks a bunch and let's dive into the video. In the world of love and drama, a bombshell dropped recently by Gulam Bakhtas has shaken up the celebrity scene. The love triangle involving Baris Shagmur and Gulam is getting untangled. And boy, are there some surprises. Gulam Bakhtas, a big name in showbiz, spilled some tea about herself that got everyone talking. It seems like there's more to her story than meets the eye. Now the real drama unfolds as we delve into the complicated relationships between Baris, Yagmur and Gulam. The chemistry between Baris and Yagmur is undeniable both on and off the screen. But hold up, Gulam Bakhtas is not just a bystander in this love triangle. She is actually married to Baris. Talk about a tangled web. As we wrap up, it's clear that there's a lot more to this story than we initially thought. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Catch you in the next video. Take care, and until next time, goodbye.